magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. At maraming salamat for joining us tonight with the Happy Network. I'd like to thank the talents here on stage for the wonderful show tonight. So let me just start by saying, if you recall, about a little more than 3 years ago, against considerable skepticism about there being room for a third major network, we launched TV5. We made considerable progress since that time, growing our revenues, our creative talents, our news and public affairs, our audience share from 3% then to anywhere between 15 to 17% today. So thank you to all of you for your support. But after those 3 years, we've reached again another inflection point in our short corporate life. Now, the critical question before us is how can we enhance further our market position in this industry. I hope the new shows and fresh faces you've seen tonight have given you a glimpse of where the station is going. But whatever the answer might be, I know that this next phase will be more challenging than ever for TV5. The climb will be steeper, the road will be longer. That said though, our group of companies, especially PLDT, stands solidly behind TV5. I think in a number of presentations tonight, we have shown you that our vision for the broadcast business goes beyond television. That's because we're different. We're not only a TV station, we're also affiliated with a telecommunications company and other companies within the group. As a telco, we're firmly embedded in a digital universe where daily lives are gradually being changed by digital technologies. We are best equipped to provide and develop multi-screen, multimedia platforms which can touch the lives of many Filipinos here and abroad in more ways than the ordinary television screen. Likewise, the reach of our group of businesses is very extensive. More than 70 million cellular and broadband subscribers, 440,000 Signal Pay TV customers, 5.2 million Meralco homes and businesses, 1.2 million water users, 300,000 tollways vehicles per day. These are the potential eyeballs we can and must reach eventually. So tonight, as we enter this new life for TV5 with another fresh start, we ask for your continued support and patronage. I'd like to greet all of you in advance, Buhay Fat Choy. So thank you and good evening to all of you.